Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how you can find friends on Monopoly Go. First, once you open your Monopoly Go app, then tap on the friends icon right here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Now, once you tap on this friends icon, as you can see here, friends and family, you can basically add your contacts or invite friends by tapping that invite button. Now here, if you go back from this option, friends and family, if you go to timeline, basically you'll find all your opponents. So if you have this claim button, so just need to tap on this claim all button. Now we're going to the leaderboard tab. As you can see, we have here the global players, local players, and also your friends. So basically you'll find all your friends here and also their net worth. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.